you keep studying. No matter how rough the sea, you keep studying. No matter how many people are telling you you can't do it, you keep studying.
What if you can pull this off? What if you can become the very person you dream of? It starts as soon as your alarm clock goes off. You have a decision to make, and it takes discipline to do this. To really commit to having a productive day. To get up, to make every single minute of your day count. And you gotta do this every single day, no matter what it takes, no matter what obstacles get in your way, no matter what your friends say, no matter what your classmates say, a constant fight that just doesn't stop. Against weakness, against procrastination and laziness. It's a campaign of hard work and dedication. It's waking up early and going to bed late and studying every second in between. The fulfillment of your dreams lies within you and you alone. Whether you pass your exams or fail your exams is yours.
You need to be persistent about what it is that you want to achieve. You have got to make a declaration that this is what you stand for. You want it, and you're going to give it everything you've got to achieve it. I didn't say it was going to be easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. If you want the A grades and the 4.0 GPA, if you really want it, if you're not just saying it, but deep down you feel it within you, there's gonna be sacrifice. There's gonna be work, and you're going to have to make tough decisions. And you're going to have to be patient. But if you can combine those three things, that's what makes great things happen. That's what builds extraordinary lives. Create the highest, grandest vision possible because you become what you believe, no matter how crazy it might sound to the other people. Think about it carefully. Who do you want to be? What makes you happy? Keep pushing because you believe in yourself and your vision. It needs to be clear to you. You need to know exactly what you want. You know what it tastes like and smells like. But you're never going to be able to do it if you keep making the wrong decisions, if you keep procrastinating and wasting time doing things that don't align you with your end goal.
You want to achieve exceptional grades from now on? It's on you. You can make it happen. You've got the power to do that. You can change things for you. It doesn't matter what grades you got in the past. It doesn't matter. See, when you acknowledge it and say, hey, it's me. I'm the one that determines the outcome. I've got to do this. I have some obstacles in front of me. I know it's not going to be easy, but ultimately these obstacles are not going to slow me down. Just when you feel like you've done your last hour of studying or read the last passage in the textbook and your brain is telling you you can't study anymore, you say, yeah, I've got to do just a little bit more.
Make this year the year that you commit to yourself that you're going to make progress. It just takes discipline and outright dedication. If you can commit to winning every single day for the entire year, in 365 days, your life will be drastically different. I don't care who you are or which country you're from or how old you are. It's the same for everyone. If you're going to have the energy and the passion to drive through the day working at 100% effort, you've got to wake up every single day and start with that vision.
Because right now, while you're quitting, the next person will be studying. While you're quitting and giving up, while you're saying, all right, that's enough, it's time to rest, the next person is just getting started. Somebody's going to win, you or him. It's very simple. The person who wins is the person who wants it the most.